Narrow margins is a real business-based exercise because it puts people into a situation in which they have to tender for a piece of business and they have to build their business case, do all their technical costings and pricings, and then convince a client that they are the business that the client wants to commission. It's a representation of a real working process. What they have to do is work with Ordnance Survey maps, with a whole range of different information sheets that give them information about highways, about geography, about available transport, and they have to plan how to move a narrowboat from one location that's marked on the map to another location. So basically they have to route plan, they have to cost their journey, they have to decide the margin that they're going to add on to the costs in order to make a profit, and then they make a presentation to a customer, a client, who decides whether to award them the business or not. There are lots of learning areas in here, so some people will know things that others don't. To share that information, to keep in contact with it's almost like other departments, so they need to keep the channels of communication open and they need to understand the implications of decisions they're making on other people in the team. It's also ideal as a competitive exercise because there can be winners and losers. The people who choose the right route and offer it at the best price are going to get the business, just like in real life. It's also an interesting exercise to run in stages. They can work on this during, for example, a 2 or 3 day program and then make their final presentation at the end of the event. Well, I think for young learners, it very often opens their eyes to the different aspects of being in business. It's also about individuals taking responsibility for their part of the task. If one team, one sub-team make errors, that's going to have a big knock-on effect for other people who've worked hard on their parts of the task. So the learners will often say, I felt a real sense of responsibility to get it right. Quality standards, accuracy, attention to detail, those are the things that learners tend to talk about.